Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the Senpex dashboard. From the home screen, you're able to place an order, place a bulk order, go to My Orders, My Payments, Messages, Corporate Orders, or API orders. Here, you're able to access our live chat anytime that you need any assistance. Now, going on to place an order, you want to start off by entering the pickup and drop off address. And then you want to add in the weight of the items, the vehicle that you'd like us to dispatch, and the value of the items for insurance purposes. Senpex is already adding $250 worth of insurance to every order. Next, you want to schedule the pickup time. Would you like this delivery right now, at a future date, or do you want to set up a repetitive delivery order? Then I'm going to calculate the price. Once that price has been generated, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the order. Here, I'm able to add a description of what it is that I'm sending. And in the delivery instructions, I'm able to add in anything that I want my driver to know as far as delivering the item. Next, I want to add in the recipient name, their phone number, their apartment, if applicable, and any special delivery instructions that I want the driver to know to perform this delivery to the highest standard. Then, I'm moving on to the payment options. For payment options, you can pay by credit card, pay by invoice, which is a post payment, pay by PayPal, or asking a friend or a recipient to pay. Now, if you want to go ahead and proceed with that payment by credit card, feel free to add in your credit card details, including the expiration date and the CVC code. Then you want to proceed to Pay Now. This will now complete your order and it will send it to our dashboard and we will automatically search for a courier for you. This is pretty much immediate. The next thing that you want to do is look at the information for your order. Over here, you can edit anything that you'd like to edit, and you have the option of canceling your order within this tab as well. The next thing you want to do is go to the routes. Where are you sending and where are you delivering to? And the images here, Senpex is providing photo proof of every delivery that you make. Now, going back to the home screen, you want to go into your orders. You're able to see your active orders, completed orders, repetitive orders, received orders, corporate orders, or API orders. Thanks for learning about Senpex. Come back and see us soon.